Hello guys, good afternoon from Malta. Today I'm going to be taking you on a driving tour, guys. So we're going to be driving from Malta and we're going to be driving right to Papai Village. We're going to take you and show you through Papai Village. Then we're also going to be going through Valletta as well. We're going to be going through as well. And we're also going to be going through Mosca, which is a fish market, but the fish market is not open at the moment. But I'm taking you guys on a driving tour. So I want you guys to relax back, get your popcorn, get your drink, relax yourself in the video and relax yourself in the sofa. Put your head back and relax as much as you can and enjoy this video. Thank you so much and enjoy. My son, go on, son, go on, go on, yeah, go on, go on. That's it.
Take the second exit onto Seba to the airport.
That's why you say look into the mirror and I seen him. They turn off anyway. Chris is like that too when he drives, you know. third lesson, you're gonna feel like you're feeling a bit confident and start taking it on these roads. But what I do is if you start to get scared, because
In 1 mile, turn right onto Tree Mesa.
3.9 mile to the right.
that's it, guys. I really hope you did enjoy that video. Thank you so much, guys. Take very good care, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you so much. That's it for now, and God bless you always. Signing out from Malta. God bless you all.